Hi, I'm Thomas, and I'm going to just show you some quick fixes that I found that helped me get React Native working on my PC. I'm running Windows 10, 64-bit, Pro version, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. So, if you're like me and you tried to run React and you were getting an error saying that Android is not an internal or external command or blah, something like that, something along those lines, and it just wasn't working, after you tried to set up the environment variables here in the path section, step 3, what you have to do, if it doesn't work for you on your first try, when you just set it up like this, you're going to have to set it up like so. Come into here, and you set up this to point to your tools folder. And I also had it set up to, and I believe you do have to, I mean, at least in my case, I have to have it set up like this, where I'm also pointing to my lib folder so it can access the ABD. If you're getting that ABD error or ADB, it's you have to add it. You have to have it pointing not to the lib folder. That's a different step. It has to point to the platform tools folder. Platform tools. Man, I'm just I'm not too good at typing today. And that will get rid of the ADB or ABD error that you're having. In addition to that, I also had to have it point, because it was saying it wasn't finding this tools.jar file, part of the JDK. So I had to also point to a java underscore home slash, and that was in the lib folder. And right here we have to declare a java home variable, which is pointed to your Java install. So for me, that is under local disk C program files, Java, JDK, lib. But since I'm pointing it to the lib in the environment path, I'm just going to be selecting the JDK 1.8.0 blah blah blah. And now we have that set up here, Java home, and it's nicely there. And then in your environment path, we already set up the Java home lib. And I do believe that is all you have to do, at least in my case, to get this working. So let's pull up the console. Here we go. Okay, so we've got our console up. And now all we have to do is type Android AVD. We have our little Android buddy here. We start our API 23. I had an error where it was saying it couldn't find something with the hash of hash something 23, and that was because I was trying to use API level 24. So you have to install the API level correlating to that hash error, whatever number that is at the end. And by the API, I'm talking the Java API, of course. Android, whatever, Java, whatever it's called. I'm not very well versed in this. I just know that how to fix this little error we've got going on here. So we got our little virtual machine running here. And we can close out of that. And we can make a new tab here. Sorry for the screen going black every time I do that. Okay, so here we are. And from here, we just type, well, first we have to navigate to our awesome projects folder, which is part of the whole getting started tutorial. So we go into the dev folder, and then we go into my Android folder, and then we go into my awesome project. Here we are. This is where you do the react-native run-android. And from here, it should work. We should be getting our app here up on the phone. Just gotta wait it out. And here we go. All the errors should be resolved at this point, if you're having the same problems I'm having, of course, and I would suspect that you were if you're still watching this far. And here we have it. The app is coming up. We just gotta wait a little bit. Fetching. Bring this over here because this is totally cool. Looking at this little administrator React packager. And here we go. Just building it all, and here we go. Lovely little welcome to React Native to get started. And this is the awesome app. So hopefully, I'm hoping that this solution solves your problem. And if it doesn't, well, I feel bad for you, man. Just post in the comments, maybe we can figure a solution out. And that's basically it. So thanks for watching, and have a good day. Hopefully your React will be working for you.